Okay, hi guys. So we'll be going through the tutorial. So the geometry, then we use space claim geometry. Let me put the uh, my person. Okay, so immediately it opens. Just click on this button right here, then click on the X plane. So
It seems I'm
you would
getting
make the X plane.
active,
Yeah.
active.
So you use the
But go sleep.
line.
We dey go now.
So let's say just draw this line. Yeah, this. Just basically draw the shape. I can't really.
I say, okay.
Calm down. We dey do video here.
Go sleep.
No.
Dey
I dey
active.
talk about touching ourselves. Yeah.
Big. Come back, sir. Big.
Come.
And then oh, you don't crash. Go. Oh, geez. Oh, I didn't talk that much. I say no things or no business. Oh, she's like 619 pages. Page 290. Give up, man. Someone to grow. How many days to exam? No. 719.
So for the dimension, I'm thinking this should be 11 though this one is a personal dimension also 11 and because from here to here is 1 so from this tip to the center will be it will be 0.5, so from here
No, no, shit, sorry.
is
Yeah.
0.5.
Where is he?
I got it.
From here,
Uncle, I'm trying
To be waking like 2:30.
yeah, is so personal research again. So from here to maybe personal research, but just nothing 5 minutes and 5 degrees. So from this to this one, let's say 30 degrees.
215. Yeah, yeah, actually. Yeah, I sleep for 30 minutes.
No.
And
So this one is let's say 75. Yeah, 75. So
Let's just look for the wicked.
this one to here is 30.
We're going to save wicked bomb.
Yeah, remember is the what they call the dimension Shabbat, not the aligned dimension. That one is
Ibu,
15 mm.
Ibu. Jesus, no, no.
So you sketch my scatter here, so just go back and fix it.
Yes. Then your like when you're doing for that number two, you're doing I think it's normal. Wow. Normal distribution. So the first thing the first question mark, you will tap first question mark and then you will tap on your SN, which is the range of like your number from 0 to maybe if it's 50 that you give, 0 to 50 you use. Okay. So from 0 to 50 and then
Standard Joe.
so
That's that for that chance.
Okay.
Don't start saying Papa. Who might be looking here and why you guys? Do what you do.
you guys will come and enjoy.
Eh?
So you guys will come and enjoy.
Now this guy will go.
15. So from
So bro,
here to here is actually 85. So let's pick it.
first comma is your SN. Second one should be your number of values like 50.
Why is this guy not having this?
And then the last question mark should be your probability and
5.
your C, which should be 0 point something. Then you put everything. Then afterwards, you get your range of random numbers in this normal. I hope you shall get what I'm trying to explain.
So let's see the dimension between this and this as between here and here as 2 mm.
So, bro, bro, first comma is your SN. Second one should be your number. Then,
So
put your
from here to the
variable. Maybe you
center
can switch your
line,
variable for your SN.
that's
Change
basically
the decimal to 0 and for
41 divided by 2.
your
So that's giving dimension. And from this place to here is 21. That's based on this dimension. So that means from here to the middle will be 21 divided by 2. So let's say that.
key values. Change the decimals to 4. Just switch it to 4. Yeah, your p values
So
is
the
supposed to be
distance
0
between
point
here and
something.
yeah, I'm assuming it to be
So that's how, if you understand what I just said, that's how you can do number 2 and 3.
1.5 mm.
Hit me up so I'll know if I should like continue with how to do 4 and 5
So let's say the distance
before
between here
hopping on whether I should
and
still
here
elaborate
is
on this
okay.
if you understand.
You need to change the stuff. This one is not cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine, but I don't know if. But if yours is also given, I will just give it the horizontal constraint. Eventually put it on it. Normal thing. Okay, that's all. So that means it's like I need to put it.
You 100 push up every day, keep the doctor away.
Okay.
Skip out. Okay,
Wow.
so now we can dimension the problem. Let's put
100 push ups every day, keep the doctor away. Yeah, since I be that.
please go and sleep.
As that. My mom first thing.
Okay.
I that was slap out.
So let's now draw this box
Yeah,
here.
it's serious with me right now.
Ah, no. This thing just take my life. Just take it.
Ah,
So the distance from this point
this
here
wow.
to this.
Why is it? Why is it? Baba, Kambu.
That's from here to this end, 40 mm.
I think I didn't hear it. They blocked it.
So from
Why?
here
Why?
to here is
Okay. Save this thing, see me safe.
renewal constraints. So there's something that we're putting that is not necessary.
So,
But anyways,
obviously,
I'm considering 20 mm for that. We'll come back to it later.
let's see. Okay, switch to doctor. Enter value from
That was a mistake for me. I put a constraint that was not correct.
Which guy? Not this one.
okay. It's a transfer. Increase value. That is value.
So this has this one is also actually let's put that 20 mm.
So,
Then
So
go to
take
your
dimension from here to the
variable V against each
center
variable
as
for your
a
percent. Change the decimal to 0
1 mm.
and for your p values, change the decimals to 4. Just switch it to 4. Yeah, your p values, you're supposed to get 0 points something 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 something.
Then the sketch is fully dimensional.
So that's how, if you understand what I just said, that's how you can do number 2 and 3. Hit me up
So I'm thinking
some way you
this
can
is not
like
necessary. So
continue with how
let me
to do 4
delete
and 5
this first.
before hopping on whether I should still elaborate on this shit to understand.
So thinking from yeah to yeah sure. Okay. Now it's giving me error. 20 minutes. Because I think something like
Don't complete on Come here. Who's that? Stop it. Yeah, I said who's that? Rosie? Who's this? Washing. Washing. You go tell me. No. That's good. I don't cook. I don't cook for me. I was like, how you just tell me back? It's like 30 minutes. You know, it was almost 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah. It was almost 1 hour. Hey.
use the time to people.
Ah. That don't just sleep for that place. No, no, no. Ah. Ah, for you. Oh, you're like 10 times. Black. No glasses. They don't like they protect you from. They also protect you from like screens stuff.
In technically, because in the end, it's for the comic lens.
So I feel like getting all those.
Okay,
But
it's not
mine
really
is recommended.
recommended.
But your eye is very very white. Your eyeballs. Even if you jack in the morning, you know stress does not show.
They play.
For
If
real.
you had known me when my eyes used to be red, like any small thing, just be red.
Before you get glasses.
Or I feel like if you wear
Hmm?
glasses too much, it protects you from dust, all those things that will cause.
Maybe, I don't know.
I've noticed those people that wear glasses, eyeballs are very very white.
Hmm?
It's attractive. Not like that way, but attractive in a way that you also want yours to be white like that.
Hmm?
So there's an error there. Space clean.
Please go on to phone.
So this angle is an angle of 30 from here to here. Okay, that. What else? Okay, this should be 20. Okay.
Hmm. At last. I'm going to put it there is a cuckoo.
And then from here, so here is 15. Yeah.
My phone is supposed to.
Oh, so this dimension. No, cannot dimension this from here to here.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Give it 5 mm.
Okay, you don't have paper left. You have paper.
What is it? Oh, okay, no problem. You tell me something else.
It's talking to me.
Hmm?
It's talking to me.
Okay. See on my laptop the hang. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. From here to here is 21. Yeah. So here is 21 divided by 2. So there we have it fully dimensioned. Then go to the last part. As this part here.
Going to that thing.
So draw a rectangle from here, this point to from here. And then you can dimension this as 2 mm. Same here, bro.
Sing it.
Now, like I suspect on.
Me.
Yeah, we did to special.
I don't know if the boy will not shift. So this and this should be on the same level. We didn't get to just give from here to here 1 mm. So let's end sketch. Yeah, now I want to start creating the body. Good. Let me make this. Okay, so one by one we'll do it. So we'll start from this, click on this face, then click on this, evolve, then select the Z. So we'll click on this next, so it will revolve this around the center.
We'll continue this.
Hide this body, click on this because this thing is still active. Just click on this, it automatically
ST
creates.
lecture statistics.
So for these ones are together, so you can just select this and then same evolve. Then we'll do the last one. Select this also and then you evolve it same around the no sharp need the body. Control Z. Let's hide this body here. So
I've done two.
select this Z.
Then this is the second one. I
Evolve.
want to do third one. But I want to wait first. I want him to come and.
So
I want to
now basically we have
come and
all
ask
our
the guy
shape
that is between
completed.
us two. If whether this one is correct.
So we have our first shape to confirm that we are on track and just select this and then see what you are doing from the middle plane. So as you can see it's going well. So next thing is to create another sketch. So on this face, so select
Stand up, Joe. Come and share with him. Come and the guy. Need to go. That's one that's okay. No, please wait.
so we are going to draw this one then evolve it. So because this thing is 3 mm, 3 mm, so we will select this and then give it the value of 3 mm.
Nice to get.
Then give the dimension from this to this as uh, let's say maybe 1.5. Okay, seems to make sense. So this is 1 mm. I'll take 1 mm better. Okay, 1 mm is okay. So from here again, let's create this box. Yeah. So dimension this I'm taking is 2 mm. Dimension. So no, it's 3 mm. Oh wait, that is the one. And then this will be 2. So take from Yeah, to the session here. So we can draw
Yeah,
also a line.
that's like,
So this line will be
diamond the class.
our
If someone asks question,
construction
we
line.
say, don't worry, we want it to
Just
be
put this in the
recorded.
middle.
We want it to be recorded.
Don't make
Recording is
it
not saying till now.
so obvious. So
This way.
so make it a construction line.
It's really good.
But use. The video is not online again. Come and see it.
So the dimension
See it.
from here to
This one
here.
is for the M is
Let's
equals
just
to
make it
50,
extremely tiny.
MV 50.
So
Yes.
I'm thinking
And this one is N equals to 30. But I'm not too sure.
dimension.
But I'm thinking it should be it, yeah. It should be the correct. So I'll just continue with
And from here to
this thing.
yeah.
Horizon.
Guangzhou.
Horizon.
So
Now come on, horizon. Yes. They will mark money for horizon.
Guangzhou.
so
Ah, there's no side that is doing it.
0.01. Let's put it like
You
that.
want to comment and you call it.
Oh wait. 0.25.
We are supposed to do V into for that horizon. Horizon. I just call him for the mark up. Who?
Okay. So we don't need this exact time.
Hmm?
Yeah. Okay, wait. We have to dimension from here.
Okay. It's what? No, 50% process appraised. No, never. I've never. Feel to tell yourself, go man. I don't be see message. Go, don't get going listen to anything. Eh? I went to school the last semester for 1 month. I go for their
So
marathon free class. Close to exam.
You
And
know
the
pay
exam came
1,000.
out. Hmm?
Don't be free.
It's free, we no pay money.
For some, abi?
I say we want to be free.
okay, so you can end the sketch. And this distance is actually tentative, but I don't know yet. So let me just hide this big circle so you can see what we're actually working with. And then this one. Okay. So select this and then this tiny strip. So then click on revolve around this line, then full pull. So we have our first inlet. So you can delete the surface, don't need it, and then delete the curve too. So you can do a quick check and let's see if we're on track. Okay, now before we do that, we need to let's say combine this body. Let me switch this off. So we need to combine this body and this body together to remove what is actually in between them. So click on combine, select this, ensure that is the saw that is showing. Select this so you can see everything there. Yeah, then this. So I have removed the unwanted geometry inside. I'm thinking, let me be sure. This is this one that I've done it. Down. Yes, sir. Can do a quick check again. We're on track. So there we have the first inlet. So the next thing is to create the other inlet, but before that we should create the oil. So where I'm conflicted is actually understanding what no sorry these inner holes if they are actually a thing. So but anyways I don't know, maybe we'll just keep that part. We'll do the outer hole. They are doing 6 1.0. Actually I'm thinking this means that is half of this, so 0.5 diameter. Sure. So you can go back to full view and hide all these things that are not necessary for now. I think we are working with only this inner circle. So we click on this face and then we're creating a sketch here. So oh okay. So dimension 0.5. Then distance from here to here, say maybe 3 mm. Then let's put small distance between here and here. I actually know using for it, but not so that okay. It's even tangential to it. So anyways, that's nice. If you don't have it as tangential, you can just move it a bit away from the point there, but I'm not sure it will really affect the result. So anyways, you can just end the sketch and you're going to create a circular pattern of this around this face. So yeah, this is the pattern here under design. Then select this. The part that we are using is a part. Then you have it, and here you can come here to change the count. So yeah, check. So you can now select, go back to pool, select each faces. Then drag up to the end. No matter, just like the yeah. After that, still conflicted enemies about that one, man. What the function will even be, but yeah, we have this here. So bring back everything. Do we have one last thing to do? Yeah, to create the last what do you call it face. So create a sketch on the X plane again. So Then come back. Yeah, so let's just start from here all the way down. Try not to make it fully consumed to this because that's how it goes. Fully doesn't stick. So we just give it dimension, say same 0.0. Ah, shut up. Try. Okay, that's nice. So you can use a razor coincident. So this point and then this point coincident to one another. So for this, I'm thinking, no, no need to already continue it already. So I assume 2 mm here. That's why I put distance from here to here. Then as a 1 mm. So let's do the rest. Yeah, I totally forgot. Yeah. So, point, maybe is once that thing shows, please remove it. It doesn't end up affecting your design. So you can this and this one is trim. So since from here to here is I think trim. So we have to just do the same because they are on the same stuff. Yeah, so it's a I don't know where the collinear constraint is there, but if you can find it, you don't have to go through this long process. Yeah, so end sketch editor. You can hide all these other ones don't seem to affect our design. So select this face, hold control and then select the other. Then lower it and the Z. The faces are supposed to evolve as now. Okay. So select this face and then okay. Then click on the full pull. So we have that. Yeah, that was it and then can show the rest. Yeah, so basically that's our the whole of the design. So I believe yeah we have most of our design. So basically why the this thing here is not showing that's because of where our this thing what they call it our circles are. Maybe we move the middle the section plane a bit we might see it. Let's try that. Mm, mm. Yeah. Okay. So can see it. Can see it here now. Yeah. So that's basically the whole of the majorly the whole of the design process. So afterwards, you can now move on to creating the go back to full view. Then we'll create the what do you call it? The inner fluid. That's what the fluid itself is like. Oh yeah, I made a mistake here. Let's see. That was a mistake. So let me go back. I just record now that. So this should actually exceed this a bit. Yeah. So let me check here and see if I can guess the dimension for it. So say uh, 4 mm. So let's just create under rectangle there. Dimension down here. 4 mm. See if it works. I think this one is for the oil, so penetrate inside. Yeah, the air enters through those small. Yeah, so I think this works. And sketch. And what do you so from there? We go into the major parts of the design. I believe the machine should be very much easy. So, I select everything. You use multiple design icons. Hold control while selecting everything. So, hold down the layers. Ensure that it doesn't work. Yeah, so move on to the last part. As to prepare our geometry. So we want to create the volume, that's the liquid that we inside. So select edge. Come here, click on select edge because the front covering is an edge selection. So select edge, entirely no face here. So this is the edge. Yeah, and then come here to click on this. Start selecting inlet. So I like to select more so that the computer will easily and do it faster. So, like that. Hold control and selecting for the because the seat face, yeah. The computer automatically creates the fluid region inside the domain of the what they call it of the fluid. As you can see everything. So this is the fluid domain. Hmm. Wow, I don't know why this is protruding. Anyways, can just split it because from affect our design. So combine edges and then edges. Oh wow, yes. Just maybe split first. Yeah, that's yeah. Oh well. Okay, so I don't the geometry basically. So the machine, I know I would just advise that you do the normal machine. But I'll just upload this video. So